Hi, I'm Kyle with Superior Pressure Washing, and in this video I'm going to share with you how we wash a driveway so you'll know what to expect when we come to wash your driveway. And when washing a driveway, there's 3 steps. First, you soap the driveway. Second, you pressure wash the driveway. And third, the final step, you rinse the driveway. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and begin step 1, which is to soap the driveway with our special detergent that's designed to kill and neutralize organic growth and also brighten the concrete. We've got the driveway soaped thoroughly with our special detergent that's again designed to kill, neutralize organic growth and also brighten the concrete. It also loosens that grime for when we come back and pressure wash it. And what we do after we soap it is we give it some dwell time so it has time to work its magic. So in 10 to 15 minutes we're going to start by pressure washing the driveway with a surface cleaner, and that'll be step 2. Alright, it's time for step 2 of cleaning the driveway. Step 1 of soaping the driveway and giving it 10-15 minutes to dwell time is complete. The next step is to surface clean the driveway with the yellow disc sitting right there, and that we'll be using high pressure water. And it's important to use high pressure water when cleaning a driveway because you can think of concrete as being porous like a sponge. It holds a lot of grime down the pores, so when you use that high pressure water, it lifts that grime out of the pores of it. I'm going to go ahead and finish firing up the machine, and I'm going to get started doing that. Thanks. Alright, step 2 is complete. It's now time for step 3 to come back and thoroughly rinse off the driveway to get rid of the remaining grime and soap. While we're rinsing the driveway, we're also going to trim out the areas that the surface cleaner can't get all the way up against, like such as the house and the steps to the front porch. Third step's complete, so our job here is completely done. As you see, the driveway is really nice and clean looking. Once the driveway dries, it'll become a lot brighter. Concrete's at its brightest when it's dry, so it's a little late in the day to do a time lapse of it drying. It's not very warm today, so we're not actually going to be able to let you see it dry today, but you see it looks pretty darn good, and when it dries, it's going to look really bright and white. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you taking the time to do so. If you haven't already, check out our house wash page We also do a great job cleaning houses, and you can also bundle your driveway and your house wash together and get a package discount. That's a great deal. When you're ready for your house wash or your driveway cleaning, feel free to give us a call at 770-315-3494, or go ahead and fill out the contact form below, and we'll be in touch with you right away. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.